King. Ms. King, your case has been dismissed, so there's a copy of your paperwork, okay?
Been dismissed then?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, and you're all set. Yeah, you can go. Here. All right. Yeah, have a good day. All right, I have someone joining me from MDOC. Can I ask your name, please?
Erica Miller?
Erica Miller?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, could I break out with Miss Miller, please?
I call the case, you can. Right. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Erica Insuni Miller, file number 24-21693FH. I have Matthew Murphy appearing on behalf of Miss Miller, and I have Alexander Bayonetto appearing on behalf of the people. Bring the file. This is a date and time set for pretrial. Mr. Murphy, I will give you a breakout room with Miss Miller. Miss Miller, you're going to get an invitation to join the breakout room. You'll either go automatically or you may have to go manually, but we'll see what happens. So give me just a second.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, I'll open the room. All right, Miss Brenner, I think I only have you on one matter with, let's see who, it's usually Rhonda.
Yep, that's correct.
She's not here, so I didn't know if, well, I don't think Judge Olsaver has, oh, now I have Rhonda, so. Okay, let me see, I have a Samsung device. Megan Brown, nope. I have a Samsung device that's not connected, and I just sent him a chat message to connect to audio. Right. Mr. Malaro, I do have Darren Baker. Mr. Malaro, you could sit on the other side of your computer.
I suppose it could.
I'm going to let Mr. Baker in. Mr. Goldstein will be here in a minute, so. Mr. Baker, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, good. This is in the matter of people of the state of Michigan versus Darren Baker. File number 22-20898FH, 22-20899FH, 22-20900FH, and 24- no, not that one. All right, and I have Salvatore Malaro appearing on behalf of Mr. Baker, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. This is a date time set for a pretrial in this matter. Mr. Malaro, how would you like to proceed?
Judge, our investigator spoke to one of the parties in one of the cases. They indicated to our investigator they weren't not interested in prosecuting the case anymore due to Mr. Baker's placement. The other matter involves police officers, and I have not yet reached out to them. I'd like to be able to do so I can allay any concerns Mr. Sneed may have. So that's where we're at on this case.
Mr. Sneed, no objection to another adjournment for that to happen?
I don't have another objection. I would just say we've offered 2 attempt R&Os to resolve the case. And we'll keep that open till the next pretrial as well. Thank you.
How far out would you like this, Mr. Millar?
I don't think we need very long, Judge. I just have to reach out to these officers.
Okay. My next available pretrial is April 24 at 8:30 in the morning, and you'll do this in order to adjourn?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Mr. Sneed, can you sign your name with permission?
Yes, thanks, Judge.
All right, so Mr. Baker will come back again on April 24 at 8:30 in the morning, all right?
Is this gonna be Zoom again?
Yes, Zoom is fine.
All right, perfect. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
All right,
Thank you,
have a
Judge.
wonderful day.
You too. Thank you. Oh, hi there. Feels like it's been years. We missed your face. All right. Mr. Smith, I have your attorney. Do you want, I have Jesse Smith behind you, Mr. Goldstein.
Yes, I'm just trying to find the phone.
Okay.
What
All right, let's see. TNT Dynamite, I can't remember who that is. Mr. Glazier, I have Ruth Hines.
Okay.
Let's see. Next. Nobody's connecting the audio today. Ms. Hines, why don't you go and ahead and unmute your device and start your video, please?
I think I got it.
Good. All right. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Ruth Romaine Hines, file number 23-21402FH. I have John Glazier appearing on behalf of Ms. Hines, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. This is a date and time set for pretrial in this matter. Mr. Glazier, how would you like to proceed?
Your Honor, I just sent Mr. Sneed some paperwork last night, and he responded asking him to adjourn this out 30 days so he could look at it, and he's going to call me later this afternoon, he says.
All right, my next available, let's go April 24 at 8:30 in the morning.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And Mr. Glazier, you'll prepare the stip in order to adjourn?
Yeah, what time did you say it was at?
8:30 a.m.
8:30. All right.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Smith. All right, Mr. Glazier, are you ready or do you need a few more minutes?
On who?
Or I'm sorry, Mr. Goldstein, are you ready or you need a few more
I'm
minutes?
gonna go talk to him. I think it's Mr. Sneed's case. So I'm gonna go talk. I think he's in his office. He's clipped.
Yep, Mr. Sneed, you're in your office, right?
Yes.
I'm
I'm
just
coming down to talk to you.
just warning you, Mr.
Yeah.
Goldstein's
I'll
on
get the
his
copy
way.
ready.
All right, let's see. God.
Sorry, Judge, am I okay to go?
Yeah, you're all set. Thank you.
Okay, I'm sorry. Thank you very much. You guys have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
You
Your
too.
Honor.
All right, I have someone who's logged on as TNT Dynamite, and I vaguely remember who you are, but what's your name? All right, I have someone driving a car. I'm gonna need you to pull over probably and disconnect from your Bluetooth because I don't really have audio.
Okay, I'm pulled over.
Okay, good. What is your name, please?
Cora Trammell.
All right, Mr. Malaro. There he is. There's his phone.
Judge, could we pass on that case for a minute? I'm trying to verify something.
All right, ma'am, I'm gonna change your name just so I remember what it is.
Okay.
And then we'll come back to you in just a few minutes. Mr. Malaro said he had to verify something. So I'm gonna change your screen name. I'm gonna pop you in the waiting room. If you need to keep driving at this point, you can. All right, I got Brandon Brown, Ms. Brenner and Miss Underwood. Coast, what case are you popping in on?
Are you talking to me, Judge?
Yeah, Mr. Coast, yep.
Tora Trammell, also Alvin Graves and Kenneth Armstrong. I just want to report for Ms. Trammell. I just received her drug screen log for February and March, and she's done really well. She's testing clean.
Okay. All right, let's see, Mr. Brown, where'd he go? All right, I connected Mr. Brown and now I lost him, so I don't know where he went. Let's go to, oh, he popped back in. All right, Mr. Brown, can you unmute your device and start your video, please?
Okay.
Can you hear me, Mr. Brown?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yep.
All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Brandon Allen Brown, file number 24-21679 FH. I have Rhonda Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Brown and Sarah Brenner appearing on behalf of the Attorney General's office. This is the date and time set for pretrial. Ms. Underwood, how would you like to proceed?
Your Honor, thank you. I've discussed this case with Mr. Brown and with Ms. Brenner. Mr. Brown is now working at Hilex in Hudson, Your Honor. He's been there about a month. The FOC has sent out, now they have, his income withholding documents, but Mr. Brown made a payment of $450 yesterday, and he further has filed a motion to have his child support amount looked at, Your Honor. I discussed a brief adjournment with Ms. Brenner, and I would hope she would agree to that, Your Honor.
Ms. Brenner.
Your Honor, here's what I'm looking at. In October, we were here, and he had indicated he made an $1,800 payment. 800 of that was directed to Lenawee County, but he directed 1,000 of it to Wayne County, which is fine, but he indicated it was all going to this county. So based on that, we agreed to an adjournment. And then in January, we were told, oh, he's got this new job. He's going to get back on track with his payments. So we agreed to an adjournment. I agreed to 60 days. He's paid nothing. And, you know, I'm quite frustrated with this defendant. Okay, he says, oh, I've got an income withholding order started. Well, mail in the payments until they do that on your own. Support your kids. So I'm quite frustrated. I've told Miss Underwood I will reluctantly agree to one last 60-day adjournment, but there's not going to be more. I'm tired of the empty promises coming from Mr. Brown and him not making good on his payments.
Your Honor, can I say something real quick?
Probably not. You probably don't want to, but
it's really
so
important.
I'm going to set this out to May 22nd at 8:30 in the morning. So that's the 60 days you recommended.
Your Honor, if I could have 30 seconds, I think the court would like to hear what I have to say.
Mr. Brown?
Mr. Brown, what I will tell you is I have had people get a full-time job and a part-time job during this time period to pay stuff down, just so they can pay extra on it and get it paid off.
I understand
Make huge effort. So
I take accountability for that, but the child that I'm paying the rearages on, I've had her full-time since October 4th of 23. And I'm in the process of working with Tammy Kneisel to file a change of order of support because I have her full-time and her mom has not had her but maybe 6 to 8.
So Mr. Brown, I appreciate that, but you still have an arrearage. So,
Right.
File the proper paperwork. It shouldn't take that long to file that paperwork and just go through front of the court for that. So I will set this out to May 22nd at 8:30 in the morning. And Mr. Brown, I also need you to get your fingerprints done.
Okay.
So, did you get a copy of the fingerprint order in the mail?
Yes, it said to have it done by April 20th, and I will.
Okay, all right, and you need to contact the Michigan State Police. If you're unable to, if you come to court the next time in person, I'll make arrangements to get your fingerprints done, all right?
Got it, thank you.
All right, thank you. Ms. Underwood, you'll do the stip in order to adjourn?
I will happily do that with Ms. Brenner's permission.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Ms.
you, Hannah.
Brenner.
Tyler Van Epps here in person. Oh, where did the attorney go? Oh, okay, never mind. So, I have somebody named Hope. Let's see who Hope is.
Judge, I'm ready on Trammell now.
Okay. All right, Ms. Trammell. Okay, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Tora Nicole Trammell, file number 23-21467FH. I have Salvatore Malaro appearing on behalf of Ms. Trammell, and I'm going to go with Amanda Wagner appearing on behalf of the people. Mr. Malaro and Ms. Wagner, Mr. Coast popped in. I don't know if you heard, but he reported, go ahead, Mr. Coast, you can make your report again.
Judge, she's been consistently drug testing in Jackson. And I just received the log for February and also March. She's testing negative every time.
So that's excellent to hear. So, Mr. Malaro, how do you wish to proceed today on behalf of Ms. Trammell?
Judge, when we were here last, we were trying to verify her completion of probation in Jackson as she was on probation for this offense. I just received a message from her former probation officer, Ms. Von Drazik, that she was discharged from probation there, but it was unsuccessful. The basis for that was that she had caught discharge here in this county. So I'm not sure how that affects how we can resolve this matter, because she clearly is compliant with drug testing conditions. From looking at the docket on my court, that seems to be the only reason that they filed the violation. So, and that was, back in the fall of last year when that occurred.
Yeah.
Not sure how that changes what Miss Wagner would like to do.
Hold on. I'm getting, Ms. Trammell, just let your attorney finish, okay?
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Perhaps if Miss Wagner and I could have a breakout to discuss it. Or adjourn it one more time.
Yeah, that's what I would request, Your Honor. I think the representation at the last hearing was that she had successfully completed drug court and therefore wouldn't need to complete drug court again here in Lenawee, which was the offer. So I'd like an opportunity to talk to Mr. Malaro about that a little more.
All right, so I can set this over to April 17 at 8:30 in the morning.
Judge, I'm not going to be here on that date.
Okay,
You know what? Is that a Wednesday?
Always a Wednesday.
Yeah, I'll be here. I can do it.
Okay, so April 17 at 8:30 in the morning. Mr. Malaro, you do the stip in order to adjourn.
I will, Your Honor.
All right, very good. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, you're all set, Ms. Trammell. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, so we'll find out who this fellow is. All right, I have a gentleman, your name says Hope, but I'm gonna guess your name is not Hope. So sir, what's your name?
Alvin Graves.
Okay, so let me get your file.
Judge, he's actually in Hope House. That's why it's stating Hope.
I know, I thought maybe, but I wasn't sure. All right, Mr. Malaro, you have Mr. Graves. So this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Alvin D. Graves, file number 23-21428FH. Mr. Hope, we're picking up a lot of background noise. Mute it. Either you go in a different room or if they could be quiet for just a moment. I have Salvatore Malaro appearing on behalf of Mr. Graves. And I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people, and Darren Coast, you are here to report on Mr. Graves. Would you like to do that?
Yeah, Judge, he is actually incarcerated with the opportunity to go to Hope House, be released early. So CMH did evaluate him. He was appropriate for Hope House. He is there now. I did talk to them a couple days ago, and he's participating. He's doing well into their program.
Good. Very good. Thank you. Mr. Malaro?
Yeah, Judge, I didn't know that he was in Hope House. If we could adjourn this one time so I could talk to Mr. Sneed and get this, see if we can work this out.
All right. So I'm going to adjourn this to May 1 at 8:30 in the morning. And Mr. Malaro, you'll do the stip in order to adjourn. Mr. Sneed,
Yeah.
Can you sign your name with permission?
Yes, please.
All right. So good job, Mr. Graves. I wish you the best of luck, and we'll see you back on May 1 at 8:30, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Is Hope House, is that the one in Jonesville or wherever?
Yes, sir.
All right.
All right. Thank you. Let's see. So the gentleman in the front row, what's your name? right, so. Yep, why don't you come on up to the podium? All right, Mr. Dagger Margosian, I actually have two of your people in the courtroom. So this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Joshua Dexter Rowley. File number 23-21458 FH. I have, let's go with Christopher, Isaac Steiner, Christopher Fleming appearing on behalf of the people, and Michael Dagger Margosian appearing on behalf of Mr. Rowley. This is the date and time scheduled for a final pretrial conference. We have a bench trial scheduled April 2nd of 24 at 9 a.m. So Mr. Dagger Margosian, how do you wish to proceed today?
Your Honor, I tried to reach out to Mr. Rowley. I wasn't able to get to him. Is there a way that we can set up the Zoom in the hallway? If I could just have a quick word with him? Or if he has stuff.
Do you know how to use the Zoom device in the hallway?
I'm sure I can figure it out.
Yeah, it's kind of self-explanatory. If you can't come in, I'll send somebody out.
Gotcha.
All right, so he's gonna go out the hallway. And then Mr. Musgrove, do you want to come up?
Your Honor, Mr. Musgrove is going to be a plea. If we could pass that,
Okay.
just so I can talk with Mr. Rowley.
Okay, you just want to have a seat for just a moment? Okay.
Thank you.
No. Okay, Miss Adams, would it be possible to go out in the hallway and help Mr. Rowley connect?
Or I could just get the ID, I can sign it.
It's right on there somewhere.
Oh, okay. All right.
It should be.
All right, gotcha.
Okay, so he's going out to connect. For some reason, everybody with the Samsung has not been able to connect audio today. All right, I have someone on a Samsung device and I don't know, the ceiling's pink. I don't know. There you go. What is your name, sir?
Donald Deck.
All right, Mr. Deck, hold on a second. Mr. Murphy. Hold on, let me get it.
Thank you.
So I'm going to assign the hallway. Let me find it. There's my hallway, CCT hallway. And Mr. Dagger Margosian to a breakout room. Go ahead and click on join that breakout room. When you're done, just come back in the courtroom. Okay, so Mr. Deck. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Donald Arthur Deck III, file number 24-21697FH. I have Matthew Murphy appearing on behalf of Mr. Deck, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. This is the date and time set for a pretrial conference. Mr. Murphy, how would you like to proceed today?
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Deck is asking for us to set a jury trial on this matter.
Mr. Deck, are you laying down in bed?
Yeah, kinda.
You want to sit up? All right, go ahead, Mr. Murphy.
Your Honor, I think it might take 2 days of the court's docket for the jury trial on this matter.
Okay. Okay, so Mr. Deck is charged with MDOP 1,000 or more, but less than 20, which carries a maximum penalty of up to 5 years in prison and or a $10,000 fine. He has a third offense notice. So if he's convicted at trial, he's looking at a maximum penalty of up to 10 years in prison. And Mr. Murphy, do you know what, just from my records, what is the plea offer in this file?
Your Honor, I don't recall what the prosecution was willing to nail down to in regards to what they're officially offering.
Okay, Mr. Steen, is there a plea offer in this file?
Yeah, if most or all the restitution could be paid up front, we'd offer a 1-year misdemeanor.
Okay.
Yeah, I ain't interested in all that.
No, I'm just putting it down in my record, so it's okay. All right, so Miss Adams, he's not in custody. We need a 2-day trial date.
First available on finding is Wednesday, June 20th.
June
26th.
All right, thank you. June 26th.
That would work for myself, Your Honor.
Miss McClure's in trial that day in Judge Olsaver's court.
Okay. Next day, Miss Adams.
July 2nd is a Tuesday.
I won't be available.
Okay.
Tuesday, July 9th.
That
I should
works.
be available that day.
You are available?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Okay, so fill this out. So I'm going to set a final pretrial for June 26th or 24 at 8:30 in the morning. I'm going to require that jury instructions and voir dire questions be provided to the court by June 18. And motion deadline will be June 26th. And I filled out a scheduling order, so we will get a copy of that out to everybody. All right, you're all set, Mr. Deck. Your bond's continued. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Deck. I'll give you a call later today or tomorrow, okay?
Alrighty.
Okay, so let's get Mr. Rowley and Mr. Dagger Margosian. There's Mr. Dagger Margosian. Is he still on the breakout one? Where'd he go? Who's your attorney again? Oh, there he is. He logged out. I lost him for a minute. I was like, where'd he go? All right, so this is Mr. Rowley, right? All right. So we're back on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Joshua Rowley. Mr. Dagger Margosian, have you had an opportunity to speak with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
And how would you like to proceed today?
Your Honor, Mr. Fleming and I have talked about this case back and forth quite a bit in the past few months. Here's where we've landed. I think we just needed a little bit of time to kind of hone in on the details about what's happening here. It's without going into the facts of the case, it's pretty clear that there is a main actor in this, the principal of the crime here. So the agreement is that this case will be dismissed, but that Mr. Rowley, if and when that principal is ever caught and or charged, Mr. Rowley will agree to testify in that matter truthfully, and pursuant to that, again, this case is going to be dismissed. There's a matter of any restitution. We wouldn't object for it to be joint and several with Mr. Rowley, but again, this case for today is being dismissed.
Okay, without prejudice. So if he doesn't comply, they can be recharged.
Exactly.
Mr. Fleming?
That's correct, Judge. Michael, do you want to run him through ECU for the diversion? Get that sorted out?
No, not.
Oh, if we dismiss the case, I don't know that I can do any of that, right?
Right.
No, of course. I just wanted to make it easy on him so he didn't have to do that.
We can revisit that down the road, but for now, we'll just move forward.
So today, Mr. Fleming will be signing a noli pros.
Correct.
Okay, so you should get that in the mail. If you don't, contact your attorney and he'll get you a copy, or you can pick one up here, okay? All right, thank you, Mr. Rowley.
Thanks.
All right, now we got Mr. Musgrove. Let's see where he is. Mr. Musgrove, you want to come up to the podium now? This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Brian Joseph Musgrove, file number 23-21461F8. I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people and Michael Dagger Margosian appearing on behalf of Mr. Musgrove. This is the date and time set for a pretrial conference in this matter. So Mr. Dagger Margosian, how do you wish to proceed today?
Your Honor, Mr. Sneed and I have reached a resolution in this matter. Mr. Musgrove will be pleading guilty to 2 counts of LIB, and in exchange for that, the original counting information will be dismissed.
I'm sorry, he's going to plead guilty to 2 counts of what?
I'm sorry, LIB, larceny in a building. And I don't know if there needs to be an amended information.
I have a count 3 larceny in a building, so I only have 1 larceny in a building, so I think I'll have to amend the information to add a count 4 larceny in a building.
Okay, and then
He's pleading to 1 count of larceny in a building. Is that correct?
That's
I
fine.
mean, we discussed it, but I learning this morning that he's pleading. So
1 count or 2 counts?
Mr. Sneed?
I thought we discussed pleading to count 3. So we don't need an amended information.
Beautiful. 1 count of LI, 1 count of larceny in a building. Count 3.
All right, so just count 3. Okay.
And then additionally, Your Honor, there's an agreement for no MDOC and no upfront jail, and also that the amount of restitution will be paid back over the course of probation, which would be ordered anyway.
Okay. And then count 1, 2, and obviously the habitual offender 4th offense notice will be dismissed, right?
Correct.
All right. Mr. Musgrove, you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I'm going to need you to speak up a little bit. You're soft spoken. So, Mr. Musgrove, you've heard the agreement that was placed on the record. Is it your intention to plead guilty to count 3, larceny in a building? That offense does carry a maximum penalty of up to 4 years in prison and or a $5,000 fine, but there's an agreement that there would be no prison term and no upfront jail.
Yes, ma'am.
So is it your intention to plead guilty to that?
Yes.
Now, you've had an opportunity to meet with your attorney and discuss this plea. Are you satisfied with Mr. Dagger Margosian as your attorney and the advice that he's given you?
Yes.
All right. Neither the prosecutor, the defendant, or anyone on the defendant's behalf has discussed any other possible sentence with the court. Is that correct, Mr. Sneed?
Well, Your Honor, we did agree upon the restitution being set in the amount of $21,660, I believe. Other than that, no.
All right. Is that correct, Mr. Dagger Margosian?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. And you would have the term of probation to pay that off. Okay. Anything else, Mr. Sneed?
No, thank
other
you, Your Honor.
discussions. Mr. Dagger Margosian?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. And would you agree with that, Mr. Musgrove?
Yes.
All right, so if a guilty plea is accepted, there will be no trial. This means that you will be giving up rights you would have had at trial. I'm going to explain those rights to you now to make sure that you understand them. You have a right to a speedy public trial by jury. You may ask for a non-jury trial, and if the prosecutor and court agree, you can have a non-jury trial. You have the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to have the prosecuting attorney prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty and you do not have to prove anything. You have the right to be present at trial and have witnesses against you appear at your trial and to ask those witnesses questions. You have the right to have the court order any witnesses you have for your defense to appear at the trial. You have the right to remain silent during your trial and not have your silence used against you. However, you also have the right to testify at your trial if you want to testify. Do you understand that if your plea is accepted, you may be giving up the right to appeal issues that would otherwise be appealable had you been convicted at trial? Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you understand that any appeal from the conviction and sentence pursuant to the plea will be by application for leave to appeal and not by right? Do you understand that? If you are not a citizen of the United States of America, a conviction of a crime may result in deportation, exclusion from admission to the United States of America, or denial of naturalization. Do you have any questions about the rights that I've given to you?
No, ma'am.
So, how do you wish to plead to the charge that on or about June 21 of 2023 in the village of Clinton in the county of Lenawee that you did commit the offense of larceny in a building? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Okay. Has anyone made any threats or promises to you to induce you to plead guilty to this charge?
No.
Do you understand if I accept this plea, you will be giving up any and all claims that your plea is given as a result of promises or threats that were not disclosed to the court on the record during this hearing, or that it was not your own choice to enter the plea? Do you understand that?
Yes.
Is the prosecutor or defense counsel aware of any promises or threats or inducements other than the plea bargain to induce the defendant to plead guilty? Mr. Sneed?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Dagger-Margosian?
No, Your Honor.
Has your attorney, other than the agreement that was placed on the record, promised you any particular sentence or estimate what your sentence will be in terms of fines costs?
No, ma'am.
All right. Is it your own choice to plead guilty?
Yes.
All right. So, Mr. Musgrove, on June 21 of 2023, were you in the village of Clinton in the county of Lenawee?
Yes. Oh, no. June. What day?
With June 21 of 23 during that time period, on or about? All right. So, Mr. Dagger-Margosian, perhaps you can.
Yes or no?
Okay.
Voir dire.
Mr. Musgrove, just like the judge had asked, on June 21st of 23, were you in Clinton, village of Clinton, county of Lenawee?
No, I was already terminated from employment at that company on May 5th. I wasn't there after that. The charges came after June.
All right, so on May, Mr. Sneed, any objection to amending it to May 5th?
No objection.
Mr. Musgrove, on May 5th of 2023, were you in village of Clinton, county of Lenawee?
Yes.
Okay, and on that date, did you enter a building, specifically Hardwoods of Michigan facilities?
Yes.
Okay. And did you take property from that company without their permission?
Yes.
Okay. And it was multiple items, true?
Yes.
Okay. I guess I'm satisfied, Judge.
Mr. Sneed, are you satisfied?
I am. Thank you, Judge.
All right. Has the court complied with MCR 6.302 B, C, and D? Mr. Sneed?
Yes, it has.
Mr. Dagger-Margosian?
Yes, Your Honor.
I accept the plea. It has been given understandably, voluntarily, and accurately. The defendant has full knowledge of his rights and he does have competent counsel. This court has made no agreement regarding the possibility of a plea or possible sentence in this case with the prosecutor, the defense attorney, the defendant, or anyone acting in the interest of either of them. And Ms. Adams, could I get a notice of hearing from Mr. Musgrove for his sentencing? I'm going to set this matter for sentencing on May 23rd of 24 at 8:15 in the morning, and I'll get you some paperwork today to take with you. Do you want to come in person or via Zoom?
I can do it in person, it's fine.
Okay, so we'll do that in person. And that will be at 8:15 on May 23rd. I'm going to send you, once you get your notice of hearing, I'm going to send you across the hall to the probation department. They'll give you a packet to fill out and they'll set up a time for you to meet with them. Make sure you meet with them and fill out the packet and then be honest with them about your background and the events that occurred. They'll prepare a report. We'll get a copy to Mr. Dagger Margosian. Call him about a week before or so to review that with him.
Okay.
And then we'll see you back on that day for sentencing in person, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I have a seat right behind you on that bench. And then we'll get you that notice of hearing. Thank you, Mr. Musgrove. Hold on, I got Mr. Ma'am, I'm gonna ask you again, and let me see, maybe I'll remember your name. I'll find you. Just right across the hall, Mr. Musgrove.
Okay.
Right, Erica Miller. All right, Mr. Murphy, back to Miss Miller. In the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Erica Insoon Miller, file number 24-21693FH. Mr. Murphy, you've had a chance to speak with your client. How would you like to proceed today?
Your Honor, at this time, we're asking to set a jury trial on this matter. I think it'd only take 1 day of the court's docket to hold the jury trial on this matter.
All right. What is the plea offer in this file?
It's as charged with no subs, if I'm not mistaken. Is that correct on that, Mr. Bayonetto?
That's correct.
All right.
And they'll be as charged to possession of methamphetamine.
Okay. And where, ma'am, where are you currently at? You're on Valley?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Are you serving on something out of Clinton County or Ingham?
Ingham.
Okay.
Mr. Murphy?
Yes.
The question that you had asked me in the breakout about was I on bond? Actually, I was not.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so Ms. Adams, I need a 1-day trial date.
Right. Wednesday, June 26th.
That'd work for myself.
All right, that'll be a 10:30 start.
That works for me, Your Honor.
All right. Oh, Mr. Bayonetto. Yeah, 10:30. So, I'm going to have to set your final pretrial for June 5. Because I won't be available before that, and we have Juneteenth, so we won't be open that Wednesday. So the final pretrial will be June 5 at 8:30 in the morning. June 5 will be the motion deadline, because I won't be able to hear them after that. And then I am also going to require that jury instructions and voir dire questions be provided by June 18. Is there anything else we need to address?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor, I had, there was an issue with some discovery. I just already discussed it with Mr. Bayonetto, and it's already been cured.
All right. All right. So Ms. Miller, we'll see you back on June 5 via Zoom and June 26 in person. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Mr.
Thank
Murphy.
you.
Yep, Ms. Miller,
Have a good day.
I'm gonna try to speak with you again. Hopefully next week I'll be able to arrange that, okay?
That would be great. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
Alright, Myers. Tyler Van Ness. Want to come up, Mr. Van Ness? I think Mr. Goldstein might have got kidnapped. Prosecutors probably have him locked away in a closet upstairs. So, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Kyler Sean Van Epps, file number 23-21546FH. Of attorney Sean Myers appearing on behalf of Mr. Van Epps, and I have Alexander Bayonetto appearing on behalf of the people. This is the date and time set for a final pretrial. We are set for trial for 2 days on April 9. Mr. Van Epps is charged with MDOP 1,000 or more, but less than 20, which is a 5-year felony. Was there a plea offer made in this file?
Yes, Judge, we'd actually like to talk to you about that. Mr. Van Epps was offered to pay a certain percentage of the restitution, and then the case would have been dismissed. That offer was previously denied, mainly because Mr. Van Epps is pretty indigent. He had a hard time coming up with that money for a number of months. Mr. Van Epps this morning has requested that we adjourn today, actually. He denied the request thinking he wanted to go to trial when we talked about this at the last hearing. We've had continued discussions since then, and I think he's understanding a little bit more of the situation. I've discussed this with Mr. Bayonetto, and he also is in agreement if the court is able.
What is the restitution in this file?
Mr. Bayonetto, do you know what the total amount is?
Not offhand. I think the number we settled on was $700 to be paid to the victim.
Okay, so you think you can raise $700?
Yes, sure.
How long do you need to do that?
A week or two.
Really? Do you need more than that? Because I'll give you, I don't have a date in a week or
The
two.
only reason I asked that is because I'm on a roofing job right now. We're finishing up, and it takes my dad 2 to 3 days to get it through the insurance company.
Okay, so what I'm gonna say is I don't have a date in 2 weeks, so I'll probably set it out a month. But as soon as you get the money, you can pay it.
Okay.
Okay, so Ms. Adams, could I get a notice of hearing for Mr. Van Epps? And I'm gonna set it out to May 1. But understand if you pay this, then it looks like there's gonna be a dismissal. So you would just come up and pay that at the 3rd floor of the courthouse. Right, Mr. Bayonetto?
Your Honor, I think we were going to pay that through ECU diversion.
Okay, so you would actually bring that money to the 2nd floor of the courthouse to the prosecutor's office. Okay. And then, so May 1, okay for you?
I'm sorry, Judge.
May 1 is a good date for you?
Oh, yeah, I was just plugging it into my phone right now. That would work just fine.
May 1 at 8:30 in the morning, and we're gonna get your notice of hearing, so you don't have to do a stipping order. And remember, when you get the money, come to the 2nd floor of the courthouse and pay that, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, very good. All right, and have a seat, we'll get your notice of hearing.
Thanks, Judge. Are we gonna address like voir dire questions, stuff like that then in the future?
Well,
The good news is we have a stipulation on some of
the
it.
trial's April 9th, so I assume we're taking the trial off? Okay,
We would like to vacate it. if
yeah, so we're
possible.
gonna, so we're vacating the trial because you asked for that.
Thank you.
Okay, so we'll cancel the trial as well. Okay,
Thank you very much, Judge.
you're welcome, and here's a notice for you guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Bayonetta.
You're welcome.
All right, so I have a gentleman with glasses and a beard, looks like, sitting in a chair. What's your name, sir?
David Vickery.
Oh, Mr. Vickery, all right. This is Matt Murphy. So this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus David Lee Vickery, file number 23-21617FH. I have Matt Murphy appearing on behalf of Mr. Vickery. and Amanda Wagner appearing on behalf of the people. This is the date and time set for pretrial in this case. We are set for jury trial on April 4. I don't, let's see here. I'm looking. So jury instructions and voir dire questions were due last week. Do we have those?
Yes, Judge.
I believe we submitted them, yes.
Okay, and today is motion deadline. I don't have any motions scheduled. And so are we ready to proceed to trial?
Yes, Judge. All of the people's subpoenas have been served and we're ready to proceed.
Your Honor, the defense is ready to proceed. We just have to make one correction in regards to our witness list, because I had put on the wrong person in regards to 911 call. I have it corrected and we're submitting the amended witness list today to correct that.
Okay, well, I would ask, trial is set at 9 o'clock. Double check, but I expect both of you here by 8:30 to make sure that the final or the preliminary jury instructions are ready to go. So attorneys here by 8:30. Oh, well, let's see here. You guys are backed up to Mead Byers. Mr. Murphy, you have the Mead Byers trial. Is that one going?
I believe so, Your Honor. It's still up in limbo. I guess I can figure out more in a day or two. I'll have a more definitive answer on that one.
Okay, so Mead Byers is actually the primary trial. This is a backup.
Yes.
Okay, we usually call it the day before, so. All right, so maybe we'll see you back here on that day for trial, Mr. Vickery. If not, we'll reschedule it very shortly after that. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Mr. Vickery. You have a good day, okay?
Thank you, Matt. You too.
And we have one more person in the waiting room. Goldstein's client. All right, I have somebody on a Samsung device. I'm looking at the ceiling. What is your name?
Sorry, this is Dave Vickery hanging up here.
Oh, okay, I'll help you on your way.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Mr. Goldstein.
We have a plea agreement with Smith.
Okay. All right. Let me grab his file.
Or two.
Yep. All right, you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
It's Mr. McCready. He's waiting.
He's in here.
Yep.
Yeah, Mr. McCready. All right, want to come up, Mr. Smith? This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Jesse Ellen Smith, file number 23-21555 FH and 23-21556 FH. I have David Goldstein appearing on behalf of Mr. Smith, and I have Dave McCready appearing on behalf of the people. Let me grab the file. So this is date and time is set for pretrial, and it's my understanding, Mr. Goldstein, a plea agreement has been reached. So could I ask on file number? Oh, you got one for me? Awesome. All right, Mr. Dozier will be with you in just a moment. All right, so I have a plea agreement form signed by the parties that states that defendant agrees to plead on file number 23-21555 FH to count 1, possession of methamphetamine. Count 2 and 3 would be dismissed, as well as the habitual offender notice, and dismiss file number 23-21556 FH. Excellent. So let me pull this out. Are you available May 23rd for sentencing? I mean, you can't go anywhere now. You've gone too long.
It's not going, it's trials. Is it May, Judge?
May 23rd at 8:15. Okay. All right, so Mr. Smith, you want to stand next to Mr. Goldstein. Want to raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna need you to speak up a little bit. You can put your hand down. Can you state your full name for the record?
Jesse Allen Smith.
Okay, so Mr. Smith, you have heard the statement of your attorney. Is it your intention today to plead guilty to count 1, possession of methamphetamine, which if I remember correctly, carries a maximum penalty of up to 10 years in prison and or a $15,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, do you understand the other charges would be dismissed as well as your habitual offender supplement and the other file? Okay. Are you satisfied with Mr. Goldstein as your attorney and the advice that he's given you?
I am.
Okay. Neither the prosecutor, the defendant, nor anyone on the defendant's behalf has discussed a possible sentence with the court. Is that correct, Mr. Goldstein?
That's correct. Your Honor.
And Mr. McCready?
That's correct.
Is that correct as far as you're aware, Mr. Smith?
Yes.
All right. And if a guilty plea is accepted, there will be no trial. This means that you will be giving up rights you would have had at trial. I'm going to explain those rights to you now to make sure that you understand them. You have a right to a speedy public trial by jury. You may ask for a non-jury trial, and if the prosecutor and court agree, you can have a non-jury trial. You have the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to have the prosecuting attorney prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty, and you do not have to prove anything. You have the right to be present at trial and have witnesses against you appear at your trial and to ask those witnesses questions. You have the right to have the court order any witnesses you have for your defense to appear at the trial. You have the right to remain silent during your trial, not to have your silence used against you. However, you also have the right to testify at your trial if you want to testify. Do you understand that if your plea is accepted, you may be giving up the right to appeal issues that would otherwise be appealable if you were convicted at trial? Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that any appeal from the conviction and sentence pursuant to the plea will be by application for leave to appeal and not by right? Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
If you are not a citizen of the United States of America, a conviction of a crime may result in deportation, exclusion from admission to the United States of America, or denial of naturalization. Do you have any questions about the rights that I've given to you?
No.
All right, so how do you wish to plead to the charge that on or about April 14 of 2021 in Madison Township in the county of Lenawee that you did commit the offense of count 1, controlled substance possession of methamphetamine? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Has anyone made any threats or promises to you to induce you to plead guilty to this charge?
No, Your Honor.
Do you understand that if I accept this plea, you will be giving up any and all claims that your plea is given as a result of promises or threats that were not disclosed to the court on the record during this hearing, or that it was not your own choice to enter the plea? Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is the prosecutor or defense counsel aware of any promises or threats or inducements other than the plea bargain to induce the defendant to plead guilty? Mr. Goldstein?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. McCready?
No, Your Honor.
Has your attorney promised you any particular sentence or estimate of what your sentence will be?
No, Your Honor.
Is it your own choice to plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so I thought I had Darren Host here, but I don't. Okay, so Mr. Smith, on April 14th of 2021, were you in Madison Township in the county of Lenawee?
Yes.
Okay, and at that time, did you have in your possession methamphetamine?
I did.
Did you know it was methamphetamine?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you have any legal right to possess it?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Are you satisfied, Mr. McCready?
I am.
Has court complied with the MCR 6.302 B, C, and D? Mr. Goldstein?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. McCready?
Yes.
I accept the plea. It has been given understandably, voluntarily, and accurately. The defendant has full knowledge of his rights. He does have competent counsel. This court has made no agreement regarding the possibility of a plea or possible sentence in this case with the prosecutor, the defense attorney, the defendant, or anyone acting in the interest of either of them. I'm going to refer this matter to the probation department for a pre-sentence investigation. And Ms. Adams, could I get a notice of hearing for him today? I'm going to set sentencing for May 23rd at 8:15 in the morning. Do you want to come in person or via Zoom?
Person.
Okay, in person. I'll mark it in person. So Mr. Smith, it's my understanding you've been testing and doing really well, and you did programming, right?
Yes.
So I appreciate the hard work that you've done on that. I'm going to ask that when you get done here, you step across the hall to the probation department. They'll give you a packet to fill out. You need to fill it out. They'll give you a date and time to come meet with them. Make sure you do that. Be truthful with them about your background, the events that occurred, and they'll make a recommendation. We'll provide that to Mr. Goldstein. He'll review that with you in advance of sentencing. And we will see you back here May 23rd at 8:15 in person. Is there anything else, Mr. Goldstein?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, just wait a minute. I'll get your notice of hearing, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you, Mr. Goldstein.
Thank you.
Do you have anything else?
Not with you, Your Honor.
All right, I think Judge Olsaver's not doing criminal dockets.
That's right, but I have some stuff downstairs.
Well, you have fun.
Thanks.
Okay, so I got like all the jail.
Hey, Judge, is Mr. Goldstein doing Armstrong or am I doing Armstrong? Or are we both
I
doing?
guess we both, I didn't know this was on the docket.
I got Armstrong today.
We both got it. We both have it. Same. I think I think what's up today is something in your case, but I'm here anyway. So.
Well, you can do it.
It's okay.
Well, we're gonna pause because he has to tell Miss Spade about Mexico.
All right.
Yeah. She said you would sit next to me. She was taking to her thing. Oh, gotcha.
I'm always just at her calls.
What's on for Armstrong today? Some violation?
I just have.
Somebody told me it's just a violation, but it's in Sam's case.
It's just Bob's. Yeah. So Mr. Malera, it's just Bob's. So, all right. All right, I have Mr. Dozier. Let's see. So I have somebody with a happy birthday sign in the background, and the screen name is Dean Dozier.
Judge, we have that down for 11 a.m.
Oh. Yeah, he's early. All right, and I have all the jails. So if all the jail devices connect, we'll be in good shape. Let's see if there's any bench warrants I can issue. All right, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Brian Boykins, on number 24-21753 FC, they waived arraignment. Mr. Malaro, Milo Leatherwood, is that an MDOC case or?
It is, Judge. It's my case.
Well, I have a writ of habeas corpus for him to be produced today. Is MDOC here?
No.
And MDOC is not here, but we do have a writ.
Okay.
So I guess we gotta adjourn that. Mr. Dozier, your hearing's at 11 o'clock. You're muted. Let me have you unmute there.
Yeah, okay, thank you. I appreciate you.
No, it's okay. So call back at 11, all right?
Okay, no problem.
All right.
Bye.
Bye. So I do not have Mr. Leatherwood. So, I guess we can adjourn it out to April 10 to see if we can get him again.
Whatever the court wants to do, I'm okay with, Judge.
All right, and prosecutor will have to do another writ. Okay.
I'll make sure that gets into the file, Your Honor. You said April 10th?
I mean, there was one for today. They just didn't bring it.
Do we know that they're ignoring it or what are we doing?
It's in my file, so I know there was a writ. They just didn't bring them.
So the writs to have them brought in person?
Probably we need fingerprints. Let's see.
I was informed from the clerk's office that that was done kind of last minute, so that may be why.
Okay. All right. Yeah, the date on it is last minute, so maybe they didn't get them in time, so the prosecutor will do another writ.
Is it gonna be for in
Okay,
person though?
You want them in person?
I mean, we might be able to resolve the case if he's in person.
All right, so Mr. Bandetto, can you do the writ that he be brought in person?
Yes, Your Honor, I'll put that in right now.
Okay, thank you. All right, so all I have left is jail, and I've got a ton of jail windows open, but nobody's connected. So I'm gonna call them.
Morning, Gilbert.
Hey, this is Judge Anzalone. How are you today?
Good, yourself?
I am good. So I have 3 jail Zoom windows open, and I'm ready for everybody, but they're not connected. Because I have Likens.
Actually, I can get you a 4th room.
Yeah, I have Likens, Armstrong, Christian, Williams. So I'm ready on all of them.
I'll send all 4.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.
All right, we're going to take about a 2-minute recess. We'll be right back. They're doing closings now. Oh, yeah. And then they'll do jury instructions. Like it's a precedent, right? Okay.
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Great, thank you. Did I watch the trial?
I probably woke up a minute for a little bit. I think Judge just went back to look for you.
Oh, did she?
I think so.
I was working on the phone.
Hi, Judge. Sure.
Nothing like, nothing, no, nothing like, I don't think it was anything like that.
Okay. All right. Oh, got another Zoom. Might wrap this up.
That looks like Rhonda's hand, doesn't it, on the armchair and Mr. Malaro's Zoom?
Looks like Rhonda.
To me, it looks like Rhonda.
Rhonda, are you in Mr. Malaro's office?
She might be, Judge. Do you want her?
No. I mean, yeah, she's like, oh, she thinks I do.
Yeah.
That's convenient. Your camera works when you want it to, Sam.
It is.
Just the other
very
side. So I have a
convenient.
gentleman joining me in room number 4. What's your name, sir?
Benjamin Likens, Your Honor.
Yep, let me grab your file. All right. Mr. Likens, hold on. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Benjamin Lee Likens. We have 3 files, 23-21610 FH, 23-21611 FH, and 24-21736 FH. There's a pretrial in each file and a contempt of court pretrial on 21611. I have John Glazier appearing on behalf of Mr. Likens, and I have Alexander Bayanetto appearing on behalf of the people. This is date time, as I said, set for pretrial on all of these. Mr. Glazier, how would you like to proceed today?
Could I have a moment to speak with Mr. Bayanetto, please, Your Honor?
Okay, okay. You can always call, text, instead of waiting for a breakout room, just saying. All right, I'm gonna open up a breakout room with John Glazier and Mr. Bayanetto. There you go. Finishing up this expert testimony right now.
I'm gonna head on.
Are you gonna head over there? You know, I'm also gonna see Hezekiah Hall today for Judge Olsaber.
Okay,
So whenever you can just filter them through.
gotcha.
All right, thank you. Bye. Rhonda, you're allowed to sit in Mr. Malaro's office. I wasn't. Oh, let's see who we got. All right, Mr. Armstrong, and line it up. All right, Mr. Malaro, I have Mr. Armstrong. So this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Kenneth James Armstrong. Files number 23-21550 FH and 23-21549 FC. These are violation of probation files. And I contempt of court, and I have Salvatore Malaro appearing on behalf of Mr. Armstrong. So Mr. Malaro, how would you like to proceed today?
What I'd like to do, Judge, is apparently set these out for hearing.
Okay, Miss Underwood, they are taking testimony from the last expert witness right now. So they haven't even done jury instructions yet. All right, so we need about an hour then, Mr. Malaro?
Yeah, if we could set it out after his first trial date, that would be great.
When's his first trial date?
Mr. Sneed would know, or Mr.
Or do you want me
Mr.
just to
Goldstein?
set it for pretrial on his trial date and then we can set the,
Sure.
'cause
that's
our
fine.
hearing dates are easy.
It's Mr. Sneed, Mr. Goldstein's cases. Do you know when your trial is on that, Mr. Armstrong?
I got a pre-trial on April 10th. My trial is in May.
All right, Miss Adams, what day in May is Mr. Armstrong's trial?
I believe it's May 1st.
Okay,
I'm not sure though.
we'll check.
Trying to pull it up, Judge. May 1st.
All right, so we'll set this for a pretrial May 1 at 8:30 in the morning.
There's a final pretrial April 10th as well.
Okay, this is just the BOP though. We'll set it for May 1 at 8:30. Just to see what's going on. All right, we're all set, Mr. Armstrong, and we'll see you back for your final pretrial and your other file, okay?
Your Honor, if I may,
Sure.
I was a little
I would
late.
advise Mr. Armstrong not to speak, Your Honor.
It's Mr. McCready.
Oh, I'd advise him
Mr.
not to
McCready.
speak as well.
Yes,
Go
Laura.
ahead, Mr. McCready, you can speak.
Okay, thank you. Yes, I was a little late unmuting this, so I'm a little behind. But doesn't he have a contempt of court for contacting the victim? I thought that was this was up for today.
I have down, let me see. This is, these are, let me see. Oh, looks like, yeah, you're right. It's contempt of court. His bond was changed. He's set for jury trial. Are these Mr. Goldstein's files or your files? So on 23-21550FH, it's contempt of court. He is set for jury trial May 1. And then on the other file, it's contempt of court. So Mr. Malaro is just asking for it to be set over. Mr. McCready? Oh, he froze. Okay. So, Mr. Malaro, these are the contempt of courts. Do you still want to enter a plea of not guilty and have it set over?
Yes, Judge.
I lost Mr. McCready, so hold on.
You didn't lose me, Judge. I still want them set out, please.
I know.
I told him not to talk.
It's like he was arraigned already and a plea of not guilty was entered, so. I lost Mr. McCready. Okay. All right. So Mr. Armstrong, just wait a moment. Oh, so Mr. McCready, we arraigned him previously on these contempt of courts. He entered a plea of not guilty.
Okay.
Mr. Malaro is asking for a hearing to be set. He's got a jury trial scheduled. We set it over with a jury trial.
Okay. Yeah.
What else?
I mean, well, it's just that, I mean, it's pretty cut and dry. We've got letters in his handwriting signed by him. A dozen of them, probably multiple voicemails left on her phone.
From the jail?
Well, he's using other phones, so they don't show up as from him.
Judge,
Show up as
Judge, I'm gonna object to this. We're not here to try the case. Mr. Armstrong is
entered
entitled
not
to have a
guilty
hearing.
I understand that, but
He's entitled to have a hearing.
whether he's punished for the violations, how are we gonna stop the conduct is my question.
Well,
Is there nothing else that can be done?
I can't, there's nothing I can do. I can't stop him from using a phone at the jail. I have no authority at the jail.
We've contacted the jail.
Yeah, so Mr. Armstrong, just remember these bond conditions remain in place.
Yes, Your Honor.
So That's all I can
Okay.
do. All right, thank you. All right, you're all set, Mr. Armstrong. You can stay in here if your computer's not working.
Just froze up. I'm not
Okay.
sure what the-
Okay.
I think that was my last.
All right, so we're back with Mr. Likens, Mr. Glazier.
Yes, Your Honor.
What would you like to do?
I'd like to adjourn this 30 days, Your Honor. I need to set up an appointment for Mr. Likens and myself to meet with the prosecutor and try to resolve this matter.
All right, so I'm going to set this over to May 1
May 1.
at 8:30 in the morning. So May 1 at 8:30. Yes.
Your Honor, could I have a moment with my attorney before we proceed?
Sure.
I had things I need to bring attention to the court.
Mr. Glazier, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with your client.
Okay.
So give me 1 second. Your jail Zoom 4. And let's see, Mr. Glazier. Right, go ahead and join that breakout room. And who do I have in jail room 2?
Nicholas Christie.
Yep, okay, and that's Rhonda Underwood. Let me grab your file. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Nicholas Joseph Christie, file number 21-20194FH. This is the date and time set for a probation violation pretrial. Ms. Underwood, just in order for probation violation. Ms. Underwood represents Mr. Christie. Ms. Underwood, how would you like to proceed today?
Could I have a breakout with Mr. Christie, Your Honor?
Sure, so I'm going to. That's fine, Mr. Christie is in room 2. And Ms. Underwood. All right, there you go, join that breakout room. All right, I have jail room 3. I'm sending a request to unmute and start video. I don't know if anybody's in that room. All right, Mr. Williams, hold on.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. Let me grab your file and Mr. Dagger Margosian, okay. So this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Xavier Antoine Williams. I have 3 files, 24-21721FH, 24-21722FH, and 24-21722 F23FH, I have Michael Dagger Margosian appearing on behalf of Mr. Williams, and I have Alexander Bayonetto appearing on behalf of the people. This is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Dagger Margosian, how would you like to proceed today?
Your Honor, can I speak with Mr. Williams, please?
Of course. So I'm going to another breakout room. So Mr. Williams, you are in room number 3. Right, you should get an invitation to join a breakout room to have a conversation with your attorney. Mr. Malaro, do you represent Hezekiah Hall?
I do, Your Honor.
You do? Okay.
Yeah, he's up for an arraignment.
Okay. Assuming he's on his way here in just a minute. Hi there. No.
Vacation?
Yeah. Very strenuous. All good up here?
All right, Mr. Dagger Margosian, I'm gonna move your guy back to the main session. Oh, that's not word. I'm gonna move your guy back. All right, looks like, who am I missing? Missing this one. Oh, he's gone too. Okay. All right, Mr. Dagger Margosian made it back sooner. So in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Xavier Williams, Mr. Dagger Margosian, have you had an opportunity to speak with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Dagger Margosian, how would you like to proceed today on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, I'm asking the court to schedule these cases for a jury trial, please.
All right, so with these, I'm assuming each one separately?
Yes.
All right, so we will start by setting the oldest file first, although I can rotate panels with Judge Olsaber. So we will be able to do that. So
Your Honor, I apologize. I'm stepping in for Mr. Sneed on this these cases. I'm not sure how long they're going to take. He did indicate to me he was going to request one final adjournment to try and work these out with Mr. Dagger Margosian. So I don't know if the court still wants to set them for trial, but I don't I'm not sure how long it would take.
Mr. Dagger Margosi, I can set this out a week if you'd like to take advantage of that, or
Yeah, I'm okay with that. But Xavier, you okay with that?
I couldn't hear.
The prosecutor wants to adjourn it for a week he wants to talk with me to see if there's any room to agree on. So you okay with a 1 week adjournment?
That's fine.
All right.
okay, so I will adjourn it 1 week to well, actually 2 weeks because next week is spring break, but April 3rd. I'll set it over for another pretrial on April 3rd. Mr. Dagger Margosian, obviously, if you meet with Mr. Sneed sooner and you're able to reach a resolution, either myself or Judge Olsaver can get it brought in fairly quickly. All right.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, and you'll do the stip in order to adjourn to April 3rd at 8:30?
I guess would it come from the prosecutor because they're asking for the adjournment, or
Yeah, Mr. Bayonetto, you win.
Yeah, that's fine, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, they'll do the stip in order to adjourn. All right, Mr. Williams, you're all set. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Okay, so let's scoot back to Mr. Christie. So Mr. Christie, is that Rhonda? Rhonda?
Yes, it is. I'm sorry.
Okay, it's all right. So we're back on the record with Mr. Christie. Rhonda, how would you like to proceed today?
Your Honor, I've had some brief discussions with Mr. Moore. I'm wondering if we can put this over 1 week, Your Honor.
Well, I'm not going to be here, but I can put it over. Oh my gosh, maybe I can't. Hold on a second.
Yes. I'll be gone the next 2 weeks also, but I can talk to you after this round.
Okay.
Somebody can handle for me.
Do you want to do a brief breakout, Tom, with that?
So I can't bring them back to April 10th. Would that be all right? And if you work out a resolution, I'll bring them back right away. How's that?
That works.
That works.
All right, so I'll do a pre-trial conference for April 10 at 8:30. And then Mr. Christie, Ms. Underwood, diligent about it. If she reaches a resolution, she'll get you in right away, all right?
So I should expect to hear from Underwood or someone in the meantime?
Yes, Mr. Christie,
Yes.
you will hear from me.
Yes.
Okay.
All right,
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Christie. You're all set.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go back to Mr. Likens. All right, so Mr. Glazier, we're back with Mr. Likens. How would you like to proceed with Mr. Likens?
I'm okay with having a pretrial May 1st and set up the meetings I need to set up.
Okay. Anything else we need to address on Mr. Likens?
No, Your
Not
Honor.
this time, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Likens, we'll see you back on that day, if not
Okay,
sooner.
thank you.
All right,
Thank you, Your Honor.
thank you.
All right, thank
Obviously,
you, Your
Mr.
Honor.
Glazier, if you make arrangements or there's some resolution, just let us know. We'll get you in sooner, all right?
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, and then you must be, is it Hezekiah or Hezekiah? Hezekiah, all right. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Hezekiah Hall. File number 24-21756FH. I have Matthew Murphy appearing on behalf of Mr. Hall. This is a date and time set for arraignment. This is a Judge Olsaver file. Mr. Murphy, how would you like, do you waive the reading of the felony information?
Yes, Your Honor, we waive a reading of the information. We acknowledge receipt of said information, the witness list, and the discovery request from the prosecution in this matter. In regard to this matter, the prosecution had relayed to myself when the case was in district court a possible offer involving possession of methamphetamine with it running concurrent because Mr. Hall is up for sentencing on April 4th. However, that would I believe the legislature has commanded that in this situation, Mr. Hall be looking at consecutive sentencing in regards to that. So at this point, we're just gonna ask for a pretrial to be set. Unfortunately, I don't think we'll be able to get it into Judge Olsaver's docket before at the April 4th pretrial or the April 4th sentencing. But I'll talk to Mr. Hall. I'm hoping to be able to find
The
him
pretrial I
tomorrow.
can give you is April 3rd.
Can we do that, Your Honor? And I'll talk to you, Mr. Hall, tomorrow.
Do you waive the reading of the felony information?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Okay, so I'll enter a plea of not guilty, and then we will set this for pretrial April 3rd at, what time does he do his pretrials? 8:15?
8:15.
At 8:15, and, then that's fairly quick, and it'll be the day before sentencing. All right?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
Anything else we need to address?
Nothing further from the defense, Your Honor.
All right, I do believe that concludes our criminal docket. Thank you, Mr. Hall.
Good day, Judge.
I'll talk to you tomorrow, okay?
Thank you,
Thank you, Your
everybody.
Honor.
Have a good